If you're like most people, there's a bulb of garlic sitting in your kitchen right now that you mostly use for flavor. But you've probably also seen the videos, eat garlic before bed and detox while you sleep. Garlic at night melts belly fat. A lot of that is hype. But underneath the clickbait, there actually are some powerful science-backed reasons why a little bit of garlic, taken regularly, including before bed, can quietly support your health in multiple ways. In this video, we're going to walk through 15 real reasons you might want to eat garlic before bed, what the science actually says, how to do it without wrecking your stomach, and who should be careful or skip this habit altogether. And just so you know where I'm coming from, I'm not selling you a supplement, a detox kit, or a garlic cleanse. This is education, not personal medical advice. Garlic is food, not a miracle drug. It does not replace medications or your doctor's guidance. Especially if you're on prescription blood thinners, have stomach issues, or a chronic condition, check with your healthcare provider before turning garlic into a daily treatment. With that said, let's get into the real reasons, starting with your heart. Reason number 1, gentle support for your blood pressure while you sleep. High blood pressure is one of the biggest silent threats out there. You can feel perfectly fine and still be putting constant strain on your arteries, your heart, your brain, and your kidneys. Garlic has actually been pretty well studied for blood pressure. Several clinical trials, especially those using aged garlic extract, have found that regular garlic intake can modestly lower both systolic and diastolic blood pressure in people with hypertension. We're not talking about throw away your meds levels, but we are talking about real, measurable changes. Why before bed? Your blood pressure naturally follows a 24-hour rhythm. In healthy people, it dips at night. In many people with high blood pressure, it doesn't dip the way it should, and that nighttime pressure is particularly damaging. Having garlic's active compounds on board in the evening may help support a healthier blood pressure profile during those important overnight hours when your body is in repair mode. Reason number 2, better blood vessel flexibility and circulation overnight. Good health isn't just about your blood pressure number. It's also about how flexible and responsive your blood vessels are. Healthy arteries can relax and widen when needed, which improves circulation everywhere: heart, brain, muscles, even sexual organs. Garlic contains sulfur compounds like allicin, which form when you crush or chop the clove. These compounds can enhance the production of nitric oxide and hydrogen sulfide, both of which help blood vessels relax. Studies suggest that garlic can improve endothelial function, which is essentially how well the inner lining of your blood vessels responds. Taking garlic at night means these compounds are circulating when you're asleep and your body is busy delivering oxygen and nutrients to repair tissues. Better overnight circulation can support everything from heart health to morning energy. Reason number 3, slow, steady support for cholesterol and triglycerides. Your liver doesn't clock out when you go to bed. It's working constantly to process fats, cholesterol, and waste products. That's one reason nighttime habits add up over time. Some research has shown that regular garlic intake can modestly lower total cholesterol and LDL, bad cholesterol, and sometimes triglycerides, especially in people who start with higher levels. It's not a statin, you're not going to see massive drops, but if garlic can shave off even 5 to 10% over months and years, that's meaningful for long-term risk. Eating a small amount of garlic before bed won't sweep cholesterol out of your arteries overnight, but you are giving your body compounds that seem to influence fat and cholesterol metabolism during a time when your liver is actively doing that work anyway. Reason number 4, nighttime blood sugar support. Blood sugar is not just a daytime thing. For people with insulin resistance or type 2 diabetes, elevated fasting blood sugar, that morning number, is a big issue. A lot of that is determined by what your liver is doing with glucose overnight. Some studies suggest garlic may help improve insulin sensitivity and fasting blood glucose in people with metabolic syndrome or type 2 diabetes, especially as part of a broader lifestyle approach. The effect is modest but real. If you eat a balanced dinner and then have a small amount of garlic later in the evening, you may be giving your body a gentle push toward better overnight glucose handling. This does not replace your diabetes medication or a smart diet, but it can be one more brick in the wall. If you're on medications that lower blood sugar, always talk to your doctor before consistently adding concentrated garlic or high doses. You don't want unexpected interactions. Reason number 5, anti-inflammatory help during your body's repair shift. Chronic low-grade inflammation is one of the underlying threads in heart disease, type 2 diabetes, joint issues, and many age-related problems. One of the best things you can do for your future self is live in a way that turns that background inflammation down. Garlic contains a mix of sulfur compounds and antioxidants that, in studies, have shown anti-inflammatory effects. Some trials have found that garlic supplementation can reduce certain inflammatory markers in the blood, particularly in people with metabolic issues. Your body's repair and regeneration processes peak at night. That's when tissues get rebuilt, damaged cells get cleared, and the immune system recalibrates. Having anti-inflammatory compounds like those in garlic circulating during that time may create a more favorable environment for those repairs to happen. Reason number 6, your immune system works while you sleep. Garlic can quietly support it. Your immune system doesn't shut down at bedtime. In fact, certain immune activities, like releasing specific cytokines and coordinating immune cells, ramp up overnight, guided by your circadian rhythm. Garlic has a long traditional reputation as an immune booster, and while that phrase is overused, there is some interesting data. One study found that people who took a garlic supplement daily had fewer colds and recovered faster when they did get sick compared to a placebo group. The effect wasn't miraculous, but it was noticeable. The antimicrobial and immune-modulating compounds in garlic don't act like antibiotics. They seem to subtly influence how immune cells communicate and respond. Eating garlic before bed doesn't mean you'll never get sick, but as a consistent habit, it may tilt the odds toward milder infections and shorter sick days. Reason number 7, support when you feel a cold coming on at night. You know that feeling. You lie down and your throat is scratchy, your nose is getting stuffy, and you think, uh-oh, something is starting. Garlic won't kill a virus on contact, but if you're going to use it as a home remedy, nighttime is strategic. Some people swear by a small clove of crushed raw garlic mixed with honey before bed when they feel the first hint of a cold. The honey can soothe the throat. The garlic delivers allicin and other compounds. The best evidence we have is for garlic taken regularly to reduce risk and severity, not as a one-time cure. But if you're going to try it, pairing it with sleep, your body's natural healing window, makes more sense than popping it randomly in the middle of a busy day. Reason number 8, feeding your gut microbiome during its night shift. Your gut is home to trillions of bacteria that help with digestion, immunity, inflammation, and even mood. These microbes also follow daily rhythms, and a lot of their maintenance and rebalancing happens while you're fasting overnight. Garlic contains prebiotic fibers, particularly fructans, that act as food for certain beneficial gut bacteria. It also has mild antimicrobial effects that may help keep some less friendly species in check. Taking a small amount of garlic in the evening, when you're not piling more food on top, means those fibers and compounds move through your system during a relatively quiet time in your gut. Over time, that can gently support a more favorable microbiome, which can translate into better digestion, a more balanced immune response, and less overall inflammation. Very important caveat: if you have IBS or are sensitive to high FODMAP foods, garlic can actually make things worse by triggering gas and bloating. In that case, garlic before bed is not your friend, and you should talk with a professional about what's right for your gut. Reason number 9, for some people, smoother digestion and less gas by morning. This one is highly individual, but worth mentioning. For many people with generally healthy digestion, garlic stimulates digestive juices and bile and helps food move more smoothly through the system. Its antimicrobial and prebiotic actions can, in a balanced gut, mean less funky fermentation in the wrong places. If you're someone who tends to feel heavy or gassy after dinner and you tolerate garlic well, a small amount as part of your evening routine might, over time, help digestion run more efficiently overnight, leading to less discomfort in the morning. On the flip side, if garlic tends to give you heartburn, burping, or cramping, bedtime is absolutely the worst time to eat it, because then you're lying flat. In that case, this reason doesn't apply to you, and that's okay. Not every tool is for everybody. Reason number 10, antioxidant protection for your brain and body during sleep. Sleep is when your brain does a lot of cleanup, clearing metabolic waste and repairing oxidative damage. Free radicals, which are unstable molecules produced during normal metabolism and from things like pollution or smoking, can damage cells if they're not balanced by antioxidants. Garlic contains several antioxidant compounds and has been shown to increase the activity of some of your body's own antioxidant enzymes. Animal research and some human data suggest that garlic can help protect cells, including brain cells, from oxidative stress. If you regularly bring in antioxidant-rich foods like garlic, especially in the evening before your brain's big cleanup shift, you may be giving your body a little extra help in that never-ending maintenance job. It's not a magic shield, but as part of an overall antioxidant-rich diet, it's a smart move. Reason number 11, gentle support for your liver's detox pathways. Detox is one of the most abused words online, so let's be precise. Your liver is already detoxing you 24/7. It doesn't need a juice cleanse, it needs you not to overwhelm it, and it needs the nutrients required for its many enzyme systems. Garlic is rich in sulfur compounds, and sulfur is a key piece of many of the liver's detoxification pathways. In animal studies and some early human research, garlic has shown protective effects against certain types of liver damage and may help improve some liver markers in people with fatty liver disease when combined with other lifestyle changes. Nighttime is prime time for liver work. You're not eating, you're, hopefully, not drinking alcohol, and your body is breaking down and packaging waste products. Regularly providing those sulfur compounds in garlic, including before bed, can be one more way to gently support that work. It's not a free pass to abuse your body during the day, but it might help your liver handle the load a bit better. Reason number 12, possible support for healthier weight and metabolism patterns. Let's be totally upfront. Garlic before bed does not melt fat while you sleep. If someone promises that, they're lying to you. However, metabolism is more than just calories in and calories out. Insulin sensitivity, inflammation, gut health, sleep quality, and blood vessel health all play roles in how your body stores and burns fat, especially around your middle. By gently supporting blood sugar control, improving blood vessel function, modulating inflammation, and feeding beneficial gut bacteria, regular garlic intake can contribute to a more favorable metabolic environment. That can make it easier to lose weight or maintain a healthy weight when you're also eating well and moving your body. There's also a very practical angle. If your nighttime ritual becomes something like a small clove of garlic with a bit of honey or on a piece of whole grain toast, instead of mindless snacking on chips or sweets, you've just swapped hundreds of empty calories for something nutrient-dense. Over months, that behavior change matters more than any single food. Reason number 13, antimicrobial and antifungal housekeeping in the mouth and gut. Garlic has demonstrated antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties in lab studies. That doesn't mean you can treat serious infections with garlic alone, but it does mean it can influence the microbial balance in your mouth and digestive tract. When you eat garlic before bed, it contacts your oral tissues, then travels through your esophagus, stomach, and intestines during your overnight fast. For some people, this can help discourage overgrowth of less friendly microbes, including certain yeasts and bacteria, and may support a healthier overall balance. Of course, this comes with the classic trade-off, garlic breath. If you share a bed, you might want to be kind and brush your teeth after your garlic, or have it a bit earlier in the evening. Just know that some of the odor actually comes from compounds exhaled through your lungs after absorption, not just from your mouth, so you won't eliminate it completely. Reason number 14, it can become a simple, grounding bedtime ritual. This one is less biochemical, but still powerful, especially if your days feel hectic. The habits you build at the bookends of your day, morning and night, tend to stick. Turning garlic into part of a small, intentional bedtime ritual can anchor other healthy behaviors. Maybe you pair it with turning off screens, making a cup of herbal tea, doing a few stretches, or writing a quick gratitude list. Why does that matter? Because consistency is where garlic's benefits show up. Most of the studies showing positive effects look at weeks to months of daily use, not a clove once in a while. A ritual you actually enjoy and can stick to is much more powerful than a superfood you take 3 times and forget about. Reason number 15, it's a low-cost, realistic way to support multiple systems at once. Garlic is inexpensive. It's widely available. It doesn't require a prescription. It fits into many cuisines and can be eaten cooked or in small amounts raw. As a nightly habit, even at half a clove to 1 clove, you're getting a nudge for your heart and blood vessels, a bit of support for blood pressure and cholesterol, mild help for blood sugar and metabolism, prebiotic fiber for your gut, antioxidants for your cells, and subtle immune and liver support. No single one of those effects is earth-shattering, but together, over years, they add up, especially when combined with the big rocks of health: decent sleep, mostly whole foods, movement, stress management, and not smoking. Now, before you decide to start chewing raw cloves at 11 p.m., let's talk about how to do this in a way your body can tolerate, and who should be cautious. You do not need a huge amount. More is not always better. Many traditional practices and some studies use the equivalent of about 1 to 2 cloves per day. For a bedtime habit, starting with half a small clove and seeing how you feel is completely reasonable. To get the most from garlic, preparation matters. When you crush, chop, or mince garlic and let it sit for about 10 minutes, you give an enzyme time to convert a compound called allicin into allicin, which is responsible for much of garlic's distinct smell and many of its studied effects. You can crush half a clove, let it sit, then swallow small pieces with water like tiny pills, mix it into a spoonful of honey, spread it onto a bit of whole grain toast, stir it into a small amount of warm broth. Taking it with a little food often makes it easier on your stomach. Raw garlic has the strongest punch, but it's also the harshest. If raw garlic gives you burning, reflux, or cramps, lightly cooked garlic is absolutely fine. You'll lose some allicin, but other beneficial compounds remain, and what you can stick with is much more valuable than what makes you miserable. Pay attention to how your body responds. If you notice significant heartburn, strong garlic burps that keep you awake, major bloating or pain, then this specific before-bed habit might not be right for you. You could shift your garlic to earlier in the evening with dinner, reduce the amount, or skip it, and focus on other habits instead. There are also people who should be extra cautious. If you're on blood-thinning medications like warfarin, clopidogrel, or even daily aspirin, or you have a bleeding disorder, garlic, especially in high or supplemental doses, can increase bleeding risk. That doesn't mean you can never eat garlic, but you should talk with your doctor before deliberately increasing your intake. If you have surgery scheduled, many surgeons recommend avoiding high-dose garlic supplements for a week or two beforehand for the same reason. If you have IBS or are following a low FODMAP diet, garlic is usually on the avoid list because of its fermentable fibers. In that case, forcing garlic in will likely make you feel worse. If you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or on complex medications, for example, certain HIV meds, isoniazid, or others, get personalized guidance before treating garlic like a supplement. And if you ever notice a sudden, severe reaction, swelling, trouble breathing, rash, seek medical help. True garlic allergy is rare, but it does exist. So, should you eat garlic before bed? If you tolerate it well, you're not on conflicting medications, and you like the idea of a small, nightly ritual that can quietly support your heart, blood vessels, immune system, gut, and overall inflammation, then a little bit of garlic before bed can be a surprisingly powerful habit. If you want to try it, here's a simple way to start. For the next 7 to 14 nights, about an hour before bed, have half a small crushed clove of garlic mixed into a teaspoon of honey or on a bit of toast. Notice how your body responds, your digestion, your sleep, even little things like morning congestion or your sense of energy over the week. If everything feels fine, you can slowly increase toward a full clove if you want, or keep it where it is. If you're not sure whether it's safe for you, especially if you're on medications or have a chronic condition, bring it up at your next appointment or send a quick message to your healthcare provider. A 30-second, "Hey, is it okay if I start doing this every night?" is worth it. I'd be curious to hear, have you ever tried eating garlic before bed? What happened? Good, bad, or just weird? And after hearing these 15 reasons, are you thinking about giving it a shot, or is there something that makes you hesitant? If you'd like more clear, no-hype breakdowns of simple habits that can actually move the needle on your health, consider subscribing. My goal is to help you separate marketing myths from realistic, sustainable choices that honor your time and your body. Take care of yourself tonight, including those tiny choices that seem small but compound over years, and I'll see you in the next video.